The idea of the self is central to human experience. However, Eastern and Western cultures perceive it in strikingly different ways. The West often emphasizes the individual separate from others. In contrast, the East, particularly in traditions like Confucianism, sees the self as deeply interconnected with others. This fundamental difference shapes how individuals understand their place in the world. This essay will explore the contrasting views of the self in Eastern and Western thought. By examining these different perspectives, we can gain a deeper understanding of the complexities of the self and its role in human life. Understanding these cultural differences is crucial for fostering intercultural dialogue and appreciation. Western philosophy, rooted in ancient Greece, often emphasizes the individual as the primary unit of existence. Thinkers like Socrates stressed the importance of self-knowledge, epitomized in the phrase, "know thyself." This focus on the individual continued through the Middle Ages and into the Renaissance. René Descartes, a prominent figure in modern Western philosophy, famously declared, "I think, therefore I am." This statement emphasizes the self-aware individual as the foundation of knowledge and existence. Similarly, Scottish philosopher David Hume viewed the self as a collection of experiences and perceptions, constantly shifting and changing. Immanuel Kant, a German philosopher, proposed a transcendental ego, a unifying consciousness that organizes our experiences. These thinkers, despite their differences, all contributed to a Western view of the self as a distinct and autonomous entity. While Western thought emphasizes individuality, it also acknowledges the influence of society on the self. Greek philosophers like Plato and Aristotle recognized the importance of social structures and education in shaping individuals. The Enlightenment further explored the relationship between the individual and society. Thinkers like John Locke emphasized the social contract, where individuals surrender certain rights in exchange for the protection and order provided by society. This concept highlights the interdependence between the individual and the social fabric. Even within the framework of individual rights and freedoms, Western thought acknowledges the profound influence of social interactions and structures on shaping personal identity. Section 4, the Eastern Perspective. Confucianism and the Relational Self. In stark contrast to the Western emphasis on individuality, Eastern philosophies, particularly Confucianism, present a relational view of the self. Confucianism, originating in ancient China, stresses the interconnectedness of all things. Confucius, the founder of this school of thought, believed that humans are inherently social beings. He emphasized the importance of family, community, and tradition in shaping the self. Tu Wei-ming, a contemporary interpreter of Confucianism, highlights the concept of the relational self. According to this view, the self is not isolated, but rather defined by its relationships with others. One's identity is interwoven with the roles one plays within family, society, and the cosmos. Section 5. Cultivating Harmony, Self-Cultivation in Confucian Thought. Central to Confucianism is the concept of self-cultivation, a lifelong process of ethical and spiritual development. It involves cultivating virtues like benevolence, righteousness, propriety, wisdom, and trustworthiness. However, this process is not solely focused on individual improvement. It aims to create a harmonious society by fostering virtuous individuals who contribute to the well-being of others. Self-cultivation in Confucianism is inherently other-oriented, emphasizing the interconnectedness between personal growth and social harmony. Through self-cultivation, individuals strive to become better versions of themselves, contributing to the betterment of their families, communities, and the world around them.